What's up, everybody? Welcome to the vlog. If you're watching this at this point in time, I think we might be on a cruise ship. And at that point, you could probably join us on a live stream, or at least go watch it. But I think we have 2 days until this cruise. If you're watching this on a Saturday, then yeah.
Jingle all the way.
I think we gotta pack. Star of the Seas packing vlog. Let's do it. Brought to my attention and requested by my wife that we should do old school vlogs on this. This is a drone, so I'm gonna bring this and hopefully they allow me to do my thing with it. Typically I can get some clearance. Sometimes I can't. We're gonna bring it. I'm gonna show you guys a bunch of other stuff I'm bringing because it's a packing vlog. You guys love packing vlogs. Did I say this is a packing vlog yet? Because it's a packing vlog. Everyone in the comments section, just troll everybody. Just put like, it's a packing vlog. Get excited. It's a packing vlog.
Yeah, right. Hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
One of the #1 questions I get on the channel besides what is your favorite cruise line, what camera do you use? We're using the Sony a7 III. It's very old. At this point, it's still a good camera, but I'd recommend you go for 4 at this point. And or a ZV-1, whatever those things are now coming out. That's what I got with a Tamron lens. Hey, everybody. Oh, Mister wants to say something. Hey, buddy. Everyone wants to say hi to you. Oh, you look so shocked to see the camera. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I may repeat this in another video, especially on our vlogs, but it was brought to my attention that we cannot make everyone happy. You can't. We are raising awareness for Down syndrome, trying to raise $15,000, and so far we've raised about $7 grand, just under 7, which is super excited. It's been super cool. You can click the link in the description box below and donate if you so choose. But someone still called us selfish.
Yeah, that was...
And self-centered, which was very confusing. My point is, if you ever thought about creating content and get on the internet and just putting yourself out there, you're not going to make everybody happy. You're going to piss some people off, whatever you're trying to accomplish. And my point is, circling back, Eli can't come with us this round. And so he's going to be spending some really cool one-on-one time with his GPs. His grandparents, my parents are coming to town. They're going to hang out with Eli and get that one-on-one. The same thing they did with Noah when Noah was born. They came in, spent some time, got to connect with him. It's going to be a super cool experience. We're going to get Mommy Bear here out of the house for a little bit. Just switch it up. She'll be back. Yay! We still love Eli.
I know. Mommy's going to miss him a lot.
Yep. And Noah's going to get out the house. She's going to play. She's going to do the splash pad. And I hear the Star of the Seas has some really cool things. I can't remember where we're going. I'll be right back. The next camera that we are using is the DJI Osmo 3. I'm filming with one of those now. This one was our broken one. I think I have fixed it, so now we have 2. It means you'll get 2 angles of us talking and doing our thing, which is great. It's gonna be fun because we're gonna do a versus with this as well. All right, this is the Instago 3, and this is the Instago 3S. What's really cool about these cameras is that you can attach them to your chest using a magnetic mount. Comes with a really cool magnetic necklace, so if you're trying to do water slides, this is way more minimalistic. So, boom. And it stuck to me just like that. I love this camera. It's pretty nice. We also have a Noah cam. I think this is what we're going to strap to her. So she's just going down the water slides and doing the splash pad. There's a POV for kids. They can see what it's like to do some of that stuff. I think that'd be cool.
There's going to be a splash pad, yeah.
There's a splash pad.
And water slides.
Next up
this is Mommy's shirt.
Is the Insta360. This is our 360 footage. If they let me get on the slides with this is going to be super fun. But if not, I do want to have it just in case because we are doing some excursions, which reminds me, Alyssa has details on excursions.
Okay, so we have some fun excursions coming up on this trip. We are going to St. Thomas and St. Martin, which are 2 of our very favorite ports here in the Eastern Caribbean. St. Thomas, we're going to do something that we've never done before. Because we're staying later, we're doing like a sunset dinner cruise. Doesn't that sound fun? It's like a catamaran, and they're going to give us dinner and drinks, and we're going to sail around St. Thomas. It's going to be super fun. So that'll be an adventure. Okay, and then in St. Martin, we're doing something we've never done before, and that is going to Lottery Farm.
Lottery Farm.
I've never heard of that before, but They have cabanas and a pool. It's like in the jungle. It looks super cool. So we're doing these through Shore Excursions Group, and we'll link them so you can see what they are and maybe book them yourself if you're going to these places, because I think they're both going to be a great time.
Click the link in the description box below. They will give you up to 40% off of your shore excursion. That's what you got. So this next thing here is suction cups. They kind of like the little octo suction. This is for iPhones, okay? It does have a MagSafe to it. So I can put that right there. And what I do is I can stick it to little surfaces and stuff without my phone. Ignore our messy bathroom, but you check this out. That sticks to the wall. So if you're doing the get ready with me videos and you just want to use your iPhone in the stateroom cabin, and or you just want to stick it to the wall, this one's really, really cool. This one comes in handy all the time. Now, one of my favorite bags.
Bless you.
Welcome to QVC. It is this Vessi. It is a weather resistant bag. So if it gets wet, it does repel water. I like this one. It's sleek, it's minimal, it's light. I can fit all my things in here. Even a laptop, which is super nice. You guys want to see what Alyssa has picked out for this cruise? She's got us color coordinating. She's pretty good at it. I don't really know. I just try to like get in with shirts that kind of match. I had to buy a new shirt. If you're rocking this, when I rock this on the cruise, let me know if this is a good selection or not. I kind of want to do hooks because of the scenery in the background. I don't want to treat my wife to something special. I don't know. Oh, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I try to do stuff when you do stuff. You know what I'm saying? Arr, bite me. Gah. See? You're so photogenic, son. You're looking at me. Look at the camera. Look at you. Look at you. I got your jaw. I got your jaw. I know. I got you. Yeah, there we go. You're going to go on a cruise soon. It's going to be a Disney cruise. He's like, where am I? I forget that you've been on this world for like a couple of minutes, so like everything's super new to you. I don't think he's actually seen this thing before. These are curtains. For those of you that got kids, he's in that like no neck strength big head thing. You know, he get the big head from the Griffins, obviously. So he's like, man, y'all put me on this earth for this heavy old thing. So he's kind of working with it. As you can tell, I'm wearing different clothes. It appears to be a new day. That's because it is a new day. We had a little bit of a potty accident, and then shortly followed by us having to get ready for Halloween. If you have kids, you know what it means. If something throws you a curveball, a potty accident, it can throw off the entire day, depending on how bad the accident was. Say hi, everybody. It's a new day, and I'm wearing a lion suit. Okay, I'm going to put him back. He's not happy. Now, the concept of this video is going to change because we were going to go through our outfits, but now that we're cruising tomorrow, yes, Sunday, now we're just going to pack this thing. Yeah, we're just going to pack. She had these cool concepts, but I think she's already rolled everything away. Raise your hand in the chat if you've actually seen some of our older school vlogs. The closest one I think we've done lately is probably Princess to Alaska. I'm going to try to combine the magic of Princess in Alaska and the excitement and attention like we did the NCL Aqua and combine that for Star. If you saw the Norwegian Aqua series, one video packed into one, and then Star Princess was spread out into like 4 or 5. We're see if we can mesh both worlds together. See if you guys enjoy that. Alyssa wants to do daily check-ins. I'm not sure that's going to happen. We tried that on Utopia and it failed miserably. The internet was just so bad. Well, not bad. Again, just not uploading YouTube videos constantly. But we got these suitcases. Alyssa's going to have the teal one. One. I found one. We got it. 3. All right. Let's do gym clothes, underwear, socks, swim trunks in one little packing cube. Okay, I feel like that makes the most sense, right, gang? Ready, break. So check this out. Our neighbor gave us one of these Star of the Seas hats, and Lisa and Dougie Fresh gave us these Star of the Seas hats. So we're thinking, bring these hats and wear them, but also check it out. They go with some of my swim trunks. So I was like, I'm just gonna rock this thing. Just gonna rock this thing, wear a white t-shirt and some trunks and keep it simple for you boy on Star of the Seas. So got my trunks and everything all figured out. Got some hats that we're gonna wear. The I Bought the Drink Package hat is for sale officially. You can go get one of those. Keep it moving and grooving. Put my gym clothes in here because I think we might have a chance to work out.
Oh, I packed 5 pairs of gym clothes.
All right.
I plan on working out 5 times.
Guys, the suitcase is pretty much packed. You can see stuff dwindling down here, but yeah, I know, we're getting ready to go. Last packing cube. The baby boy's getting upset, so we're gonna wrap this thing up. But last part of the suitcase is coming together. I recommend level 8, but I will see you guys on the ship. Go watch the live stream, and I hope you enjoy this for funsies. As always, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe. If you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise. Peace.